Previously I pressure washed the patio area and removed all weeds. Now I'll go ahead and apply a sealant. This sealant has a long lasting protection, dries clear, has a low sheen, it's non-slip, that was one of the main features I was looking for, and protects against water and sun damage. Now normally we will sand it and then apply the sealant. The reason why I will do the opposite is because I don't want any discoloration of the polymeric sand that I will be using in my next video. And I've asked other builders and they have confirmed that it's absolutely fine. Right, to apply the seal you will require a bucket, just a good enough size depending upon how big your roller sleeve is, and a medium pile roller. Get yourself an extendable pole, it will save you from straining your back. You won't get 100% clean patio, there will be some debris left over, so just broom off what you can. Pour in a bit and carry out a patch test. If you're happy with it, roll on. You can see the slabs are a bit light grey. This sealer will slightly make it a bit darker as it adds a light sheen. The good thing about it is that it's non-slip and doesn't have that sticky effect on the bottom of your shoes. Don't worry about any debris captured, just carry on. This area of around 30 square meters have been applied, and I've got some sealant left in the bucket and less than half left in the tub. After a few hours, this is how it looks. The previous patio seal that we used when we first renovated the garden gave a darker look, which I liked, but it was slippery. Come rain or shine, at least now it's protected for a few years. Catch you in the next one. Peace.